Hi, in today's session, RD with the students, I, Dr. Gayatri Dubey, Regional Director and Global Chief Operating Officer in the EduMall, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, is here with you, my dear students. Today, I will be discussing about IELTS reading strategies in the EduMall, thought of the day, important historical dates, word of the day, why the students go to Finland for higher education, motivational story with its moral. IELTS reading strategies in the EduMall. Let us see what are the strategies which will help us to solve the questions in IELTS reading. First is read question first. This helps you know that information to look for before reading the passage. Skimming. Read the title, heading and first last lines of paragraphs to understand the overall idea. Scanning. Quickly move your eyes to find keywords, dates, names or numbers related to the question. Focus on paraphrasing. The passage will not use the same words as the question. Look for similar meaning. Time management. Spend about 20 minutes per passage. Don't get stuck on one question. Let us take one example. Suppose the question is about true, false, not given. Then what does true mean? True means information exactly matches. That means what the question is asking, you will get the answer related to that. False, information is clearly opposite, means contradictory. What the question is asking, that will be just opposite to the question. Answer will be opposite in the passage. Not given means information is not mentioned at all. What the question is saying, its description will not be given in the passage. That is not given. Matching headings. Identify the main idea, not examples or details. Multiple choice. Eliminate wrong options first. Choose the best supported answer. Vocabulary questions. Read surrounding lines to guess meaning from context. Answer all questions. There is no negative marking, so never leave blanks. Let's see one example. A passage, small passage is there. Read the passage carefully and then we will solve the answer. Online education has grown rapidly in recent years. Many students now prefer digital learning because it offers flexibility and access to a wide range of courses. Unlike traditional classrooms, online platforms allow learners to study at their own pace. However, some experts argue that face-to-face interaction is still essential for developing communication skills. Let's see the question. What is one main advantage of online education? Options are: it is cheaper than traditional education, it offers flexibility, it replaces teachers, it improves communication skills. This is multiple choice question. Let's see what is the answer. And you can see the answer in the third line, offers flexibility. Yes, so the answer is B. For first question, the answer is B. Let's go to the next question. Online platforms allow learners to study together at the same speed. So let's see the passage. Here you will see fourth line. Unlike traditional classrooms, online platforms allow learners to study at their own pace. That means they will take their own time and own speed. Yes, let's see the question. Online platforms allow learners to study together at the same speed. No. So the answer is false. Let's see the third question. What do some experts believe is still important? Digital exams, online courses, face-to-face interaction, D, self-study. Let's see the passage. However, some experts argue, we are seeing the second last line, argue that face-to-face interaction is still essential for developing communication skills. We have to see face to face, then only the communication skills develops. Let's see the question again. What do some experts believe is still important? So answer is C, face to face interaction. So we have seen the answer. We have seen the answers. Yes, first B, second false, and third C, face to face interaction. Let's see tip from this example. First is answers are often paraphrased, not directly repeated. Read carefully for meaning, not exact words. Okay, and one more I want to say that the questions are in sequence, so the answer will also come in the sequence in the passage. Now let's see thought of the day. Small steps lead to big success. Meaning is achieving massive goals through consistent incremental progress, breaking down overwhelming tasks into manageable actions that build momentum, confidence and habits, making large outcomes achievable over time rather than all at once. This approach prevents overwhelm, fosters discipline and turns daily effort into exponential growth, much like a tiny seed becoming a tree. So you have to take small steps and take a big success. Big steps, obstacles will be there and there will be hurdles. It will take much time to get your success. Important historical date, 23rd December. Today is 23rd December and we have the important date and what the date mentions. Let's see. Kisan Divas, celebrated annually to recognize farmers, coinciding with birthday of India's 5th Prime Minister Chaudhry Charan Singh. Next, on 23rd December 1921, Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore officially launched Vishwa Bharati University in Shantiniketan, India. On 23rd December, Shri Chaudhry Charan Singh, our 5th Prime Minister of India, was born. 1783, on this day, 23rd December, US President Woodrow Wilson signed the Federal Reserve Act into law, establishing the Federal Reserve System. Word of the day, conceal, meaning to put something out of sight or keep it secret. Synonym, hide, mask, cover, disguise, screen, secret, suppress, withhold. Antonym, reveal, expose, display, show, unveil, disclose, unmask, exhibit, present, bear. Origin of this word is from Latin verb concealere, meaning to hide carefully or disguise, derived from con, that means intensive prefix, and celere, to hide. The word entered from Middle English from Old French concealer. Sentence. The sunglasses conceal her eyes. We have learned one more word and the word is conceal. Use this in your sentence and improve your vocabulary. Why students go to Finland for higher education? Students choose Finland for higher education because of its world-class education system, innovation-driven learning and excellent quality of life. Some key reasons include globally recognized education system. Finnish universities consistently rank among the best in the world, known for academic excellence and research quality. Innovative and practical learning. Education focuses on critical thinking, problem solving, research and real world applications rather than remote learning. Excuse me. Wide range of English taught programs. Many bachelor's and master's programs are offered in English, making Finland highly accessible for international students. Strong research and technology hub. Finland is a leader in technology, sustainability, engineering and innovation, offering strong industry academia collaboration, affordable education and scholarship. Compared to other European countries, tuition fees are reasonable with numerous scholarships and tuition waivers available. High quality of life. Finland is one of the safest and happiest countries in the world, offering clean environments, excellent healthcare and social security. Post-study work opportunities. Graduates can stay back after studies to look for jobs, especially in technology, engineering and research sectors. Supportive student environment. Finnish universities provide strong support services, modern campuses and a welcoming environment for international students. Overall, Finland offers a perfect blend of quality education, innovation, affordability and a balanced lifestyle, making it a top destination for higher education. The EduMall helps students in their career development and take them to their destination. Excuse me. Motivational story. The worth of a stone. The stone and the boy refers to a particular parable about a boy who learns about the value of his life by taking a stone to different markets, where its offered price dramatically increases from a few rupees to thousands, teaching him that his worth depends on who assists him. A father gives his son a stone and tells him to take it to the market, holding up 2 fingers for the price, but not selling it. So the boy goes to a fruit seller, shows him 2 fingers, so he offers 2 rupees. A jeweler gives him 200 rupees and a gem merchant gives him 2000 rupees. Finally, at a museum, the manager offers a huge sum amazed by its rarity, revealing it's a precious gem. The boy asks his father why the stone's value changed so much. His father explains that a person's value, like the stone, changes based on the people and places around them. So the moral of the story is, the boy learns that the stone's value changes based on its setting, just as a person's value is perceived differently by different people, emphasizing self-worth and potential. So, remember, www.theedumall.com, address 229 these EduMall, Suyash Solitaire Building, Kudasan, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The EduMall, discover, learn, succeed, transforming education. We will meet in the next video at the same time. Till then, bye bye.